Maisha from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, you said in silent rak'ah, we should try our level best to pronounce correctly. So I don't pray like fully silent, but it's whispering. So it happens like dod or dal, if it feels like I'm saying ta. For example, wala dallin, it feels like I'm saying wala tallin.
No, this is from Shaitan, Maisha. Maisha, I did not say you have to try your level best in silent rak'ahs to pronounce correctly, because this is not logical. Silent rak'ah means that there is no sound coming. So if I recite the Fatiha like, you did not know if I said dallin, dallin, tallin, because it is almost the same. So keep these whispers away from you and just read the Fatiha and the Adhkar and your prayers silently by symbolically moving your lips and tongue as if you're doing it, but don't emphasize on, oh no, I mispronounced it. It was not dallin correctly, because this is not loud rak'ah, because this is one of the greatest doors of shaitan to invade and corrupt your salah.